Hey, greetings at WP Code Studio. This is Robil Islam Rocky. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you something super exciting that we will create a custom WordPress plugin that works just like Mailchimp. But the best part is it's completely free and built by you. I mean, using AI also. So where you will be able to collect subscribers and marketing emails and manage your own newsletter system directly from your WordPress dashboard. No external service, no monthly cost, and no API limits. Also, don't need any coding knowledge. We will be adding this plugin to an existing WooCommerce store that we already built in previous videos. So if you haven't watched that tutorial yet, or if you don't know how to build a store website from scratch, make sure to check the video link in the description below. Because in this one we are talking that store to the next level by adding a fully functional AI generated email marketing plugin which can help you grow your business, collect leads, and do all marketing directly from your site, just like Mailchimp, but 100% yours. Grab your coffee, open your WordPress dashboard, and let's start building your own powerful plugin step by step. Sounds cool, right? So let's jump over it. First, we will generate the plugin code using AI. For that, we're going to use ChatGPT, and already I have opened it to my browser. And the prompt message already also I have wrote down for faster process. Now we need to take a look at our prompt, and I will describe every single step about the prompt message. So here is this prompt message that already I have created. So here first we want create a WordPress newsletter plugin similar to Mailchimp with the following features. So features are like for front end we want a subscription form via shortcode. We want a shortcode because using this shortcode we will implement the form, I mean newsletter form on our existing website. And also we want form submission using Ajax, because without Ajax while users submit their email the page will be reloading, so that we don't want. That's why we want Ajax. And after submitting now it will be show a success pop-up message. So this was the front end part. And for admin panel we want two main menu option. First one is subscribers and second one marketing. So for subscriber there will be display subscriber list with email, subscription date, and remove button. And through this remove button admin can be removed any specific subscriber email. And also we have a marketing option. Within this marketing option, first requirement is we want email subject and message input field. This means we want a input field for email subject and also a text area for marketing message, where admin can be wrote down their marketing message. And also on the second requirement we want to display all subscriber email with ability to select specific or all. This means right after enter the marketing message, admin can be choose any specific user email, or he can be also select all. And then there will have a button. Through this button the email with the marketing message will be sent to that email. So and then we have a requirements, and where we want to provide full setup instruction, plugin name, main file name, and folder structure, and also include shortcode for the newsletter. For example, newsletter form, this is the shortcode we can be used, for example. And also we have a note for this, like make it fascinating styles that will be eye-catching and match with my template. That template image also I attach. I want to all code in one file called subscriber.php. So here we have entered here that we will also upload the template image, I mean our existing website template image. Then it will be great to design the subscription form according to our template. So that's why we will also upload our template image. So already I have taken a screenshot about my template. So let's copy this and paste it here, and then upload that template image that actually we have developed on our previous video. So here is this. And now hit enter. just say yes. So ChatGPT already generated this plugin that actually we want. So before doing anything, let me tell you one more thing, that sometimes it will never give you same exact code like me, but don't worry, you can fix this by chatting with ChatGPT. Or if you want exact code like me, then you may check this video description where you will get the Google Drive link, and from here you can easily copy and use also. So now we will set up plugin files for install and activate this plugin. So already I have logged into my control panel. I'm in cPanel, and I hope you also log into your cPanel. So right then we need to figure out this file manager option. So if you did not find it here still, then you can simply search here file manager. Then you will get this over here. Just click on it. And within this file manager, we need to figure out that directory file. This is my directory file. Just click here, and within this directory file you will get this WP content folder. Just get into this, and then we need to get into this plugins. Just click over it here, and inside this plugins we need to create a new folder for that plugin. So for creating a new folder, click over this folder option, and here we need to enter the plugin folder name. So I'm going to give here subscriber plugin and create a new folder. So we have created this plugin a little earlier, so in this time we need to get into this folder. So let's click over it here, and inside this folder we need to create a file. So for that, just click over it, file, and this file name I'm gonna give here subscriber.php, and then create a new file. Right then we need to edit this file. So for that, just click right button from your mouse, and then you will get few options here. So from here we need to click over this edit option, and again, and within here we need to paste that code. So let's come back to our ChatGPT, and from here we will copy this code and paste it here and save changes. So in the meantime we have completed file creations. This means we already have installed this plugin. So in this time, next head over to WordPress admin panel, and from here just get into this plugin, and from here you need to choose this install plugin option. Just click over it, and you will see a new plugin called subscriber plugin that powered by developed by Rocky. So just click on active button, and WordPress will automatically create the subscriber database table for you. This means your site is now ready to collect and manage emails, just like Mailchimp. Now let's make it visible on the front end. So this plugin gives you a shortcut which you can place anywhere you want to show your newsletter from. In this tutorial, I'll add it to my store homepage using Elementor. So that's why we need to get back to our WordPress admin panel, and from here just click over these pages and all pages. And from here I'm gonna choose Elementor because I would like to visible that newsletter form on my homepage. So that's why I'm gonna edit this homepage with Elementor. In the next, we need to define the location of the page where we'd like to place the newsletter form. So I'm gonna add the newsletter form above the footer. So that's why let me scroll down it. And here, first of all, we need to take an container, and within this container we will just paste that shortcode. So for that, first of all, we need to drag that shortcode add-on. Just drag and drop it here, and then we need that shortcode which ChatGPT was given us. So for that, we need to come back to ChatGPT, and from here just let me figure out that shortcode. here is this, just copy and paste it here. Now this newsletter form is displayed and it looks too much prettier. So we Now let's test it in real time. I'll enter my email here and then we will click over the subscribe button. So first of all, we need to enter the email. And just click over the subscribe. Pop-up appear with a success message, and my email is instantly saved into the database without reloading the page. So that's the power of Ajax, and it keeps everything smooth and modern. So our front-end part works well as we wanted. So in this time we need to back in our WordPress dashboard, and here you will see a subscriber menu on this left-hand side on your menu bar, and here within this subscriber there have two options. First one is subscribers and second one is marketing for email marketing, exactly similar like Mailchimp. So first of all, we will visit these subscribers, and here now we can able to see here all the emails that users subscribe from that newsletter form. So also we have a subscriber date and delete button. So if you want, you can delete any of subscriber. For example, I'm gonna delete this. That's cool, it's working. So in the next we will visit this marketing page, and here now you can able to see here first we have an input field for email subject. So for example, you are going to giving a marketing message to all the subscribers. So for testing purpose, I'm gonna use here AI content like this. This is the marketing email subject, and here is the message, and then we can choose subscriber email. For example, I'm gonna send this message only to this email. So just check it off and send. So we sent that marketing message to this email. So let's check it. Here's this my email box, and here is this in this inbox we can able to see that message has comes. So this means it's work well that we wanted. So now looks how powerful AI can be. In just one prompt, we have created a full plugin with backend, frontend, and admin panel without writing code manually, and it's 100% yours. You don't have to pay for the extra tools like Mailchimp or ConvertKit. So you can customize the form design and export options, or even integrate with third-party APIs later. So I hope you understand. So that's how you can create your own Mailchimp style newsletter plugin for WordPress from scratch using AI, completely free. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how AI can simplify plugin development and how you can use it for your own business or client projects. So if you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support WP Code Studio, and drop a comment if you want to make the next tutorial on AI generated contact forms or custom WooCommerce add-ons. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep building, and stay creative with code.